Hello everybody, good afternoon. Hope you have an amazing weekend. It's Friday, April 29th, 2022. It's around 5 p.m. and the temperature is 31 degrees centigrade here in Yangon, Myanmar. Now I'm going to walk from Chinatown to downtown Yangon, Myanmar. Let's walk. As you can see, this is a footpath beside Mohabandula Road in Chinatown, Yangon. This is Chinatown, Yangon. On the right side, this is a jewelry shop, as you can see. Nice gentle breeze blowing around. It's a wonderful afternoon now. As you can see on the left side, these are some food stalls. You can get various kinds of food here. On the right side, these are some Myanmar traditional dishes, as you can see. This is a jewelry shop. As you can see on the right side, these are some street food stalls. People are buying their street food here. This is a tea and a juice stall. This is jewelry shop. As you can see, this old lady is selling various kinds of mangoes here. This vendor is selling various kinds of caps, hats and clothing, as you can see. People are taking their food, sitting beside the footpath. There are various kinds of stuffs here, as you can see. There are lots of street food vendors here, as you can see. On the right side, there are lots of jewelry shop, as you can see. This is another jewelry shop. On the left side, these are some Myanmar traditional food. Chicken curry, chicken fry, fish fry, etc. here. Some fruits here, grapes, as you can see. As you can see over there, that is a Chinese temple named Guanin Gumiao. It is more than 100 years old temple. Now I'm walking across a footpath beside Mohabandula Road. As you can see on the left side, this is a fruit stall. Here you can get various kinds of fruits such as mango. It's quite busy atmosphere now. There are lots of shops beside the footpath. You can get various kinds of jewelry, clothing, and shoe store here. Jewelry shops are more here. As you can see, this is another jewelry shop. This is another jewelry shop. People are waiting for the bus in the bus stop. As you can see, this is a bus stop. People are getting right into the bus. As you can see, this is YANGON bus service. People are getting right into the bus disciplined way. As you can see on the right side, this is a mobile clothing store. Here you can get various kinds of clothing. This is a clothing store. On the right side, this is jewelry store. On the left side, this is a food stall, street food stall. Here you can get various kinds of noodles and vegetables, as you can see. On the right side, this is clothing store. Here you can get various kinds of shirts and tops, as you can see. On the right side, this is our grocery store, as you can see. As you can see over there, that is Singapore Food Junction. This is a footpath beside Mohabandullah Road in downtown Yangon. As you can see on the left side, that white color building is a Myanmar traditional market. You can get various kinds of stuffs such as clothing, shoes in this market. This market name is Tenji Market. This is an old traditional market. On the right side, these are some fruit stall. Here you can get various kinds of mangoes here. Some hardware store. As you can see, these are some hardware store. This is a mobile phone accessory store. Sandal store. This is lungi, Barnese lungi store, as you can see. Some sandal store, a jewelry shop, clothing store. This is a clothing store, as you can see. As you can see on the left side, these are some old buildings. People are taking their food, sitting beside the footpath, as you can see. The right side, this is a pharmacy, this is a jewelry shop. Quite traffic jam here, as you can see. Vehicles are parked beside the road. This is a jewelry shop, as you can see. This is a nice walking tour indeed. The weather is very nice. Nice gentle breeze blowing around. You can see there are lots of jewelry shops. This is another jewelry shop. As you can see, this is a jewelry shop. As you can see, over the traffic jam. On the right side, this is a royal sweet, Indian sweet stall. There are lots of vehicles in traffic jam now, as you can see. It's a busy atmosphere now. As you can see, that white building is Mughal Hall. As you can see on the right side, this is the fruit stall where you can get watermelon here. This is watermelon and melon here. On the right side, this is an old colonial era building. This is now the office of MPT Myanmar, Myanmar Post and Telecommunication. As you can see over there, that golden stupa is Sule Pagoda. It is more than 2,500 years old pagoda. This is the iconic landmark of Yangon city. We have reached at downtown Yangon. That's it from today's video. Hope you have enjoyed this update. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.